2020 INFINITI QX50. With less than 48,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, satellite radio, navigation, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain-sensing wipers, Bluetooth. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.